logos, taglines, or even distinct taste. These make one brand differ from another. But how about aroma, the specific earthy smell of a hotel, the fruity ambience of a spa, or the comfort of a custom scent? These two are powerful ways for brand recall. With that, Ela Essentials, a new scent brand, fills in the gap to empower brands on the power of scent. They source all their ingredients locally and with their partners in Spain.
I think now is the perfect time for the scent industry in the Philippines because it's really growing and more business owners there are more and more businesses and people can't seem to differentiate themselves. So we use this as a tool not only to differentiate your business and increase your brand recall, but for you yourself and the people working around you to feel inspired and creative and happy in their workplace.
Established just a few months ago in March 2019, Ela Essentials wants to take a lead in scent marketing in the Philippines to help raise the bar for businesses and other platforms.
Scents with the end users. So we had focus group discussions and then we picked according to what they said that they wanted. So there were specific ones for spas, specific for hotels and resorts. So we really picked it with the end user. So we know for sure that these are their favorites.
What's great about Ela Essentials is their customizable products where companies can create their own signature scent. With a very friendly and affordable price at 2,500 to 5,000 pesos, startup companies and even homes can avail of the products and services offered by Ela Essentials. From its 12 kinds of essential oils, including the classic peppermint and eucalyptus, to the new favorites like lily of the valley and sandalwood, Ela Essentials plan to add more to their growing scent collection later this year. If you want to try and order their products, it's no hassle for you as you can avail them in the comforts of your own space by going to their website or even messaging them on Facebook at Ela Essentials.
I'm thinking something plants or flowers in the Philippines. Maybe something like that. I think we just want to be nationwide. We want to be in major cities by next year. Hi guys, I hope you guys can try the power scent with us at Ela Essentials.
For My TV Cebu, this is Litz Caballero.